Don't you know so-and-so was hungry? And had you fed that person, you would have found the reward with me. O son of Adam, I was thirsty and you did not give me anything to drink. Ya Rabb, how could I give you anything to drink and you are the Lord of the worlds? Don't you know that so-and-so was thirsty? And had you went and quenched their thirst, you would have found that reward with me. And then finally, O son of Adam, I was sick and you did not visit me. Ya Allah, how could I visit you and you are the Lord of the worlds? And Allah says, don't you know that my servant so-and-so was sick? And had you visited him or her, you would have found me with him. It's a difference. Not the reward, you would have found me with him. Because Allah is with those who are vulnerable. Allah is with those who are forgotten. Allah is with those who people do not look to because they have no worldly or materialistic benefit to them. Allah is with them in the sense that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala supports them. بِعَوْنِهِ وَبِنَصْرِهِ. Allah supports them and His blessings are with them. This is a very powerful highlight or a very powerful illustration that we're given in this hadith. Now, what does it mean on a practical level? Dear brothers and sisters, there are people that are forgotten in this world. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions people that will be forgotten in the hereafter. The people that are forgotten in this world are not the people that will be forgotten in the hereafter. The people that will be forgotten are those that forgot their Lord and as a result forgot all of their obligations to their Lord, which included treating people the way that they wanted Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to treat them. Now with these last 10 minutes, I want to speak at a very human level, and a very real level, and a very practical level. I hope you guys will pay very close attention to this. You know, there is a man by the name of 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘 ibn 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗀 rahimahullah ta'ala, who was a khalifa, and he summoned one of the tabi'een, Abu Hazm, and he asked him, it's a very famous dialogue. He said to him, Ya Abu Hazm, oh Abu Hazm, why is it that we hate death so much? And yes, you're going to wonder over the next 2 minutes what this has to do with the topic. Why is it that we hate death so much? And you know what he said? He said, لِأَنَّكُمْ عَمَّرْتُمْ دُنْيَاكُمْ وَخَرَّبْتُمْ آخِرَتَكُمْ فَتَكْرَهُونَ الْخُرُوجِ مِنَ الْعُمْرَانِ إِلَى الْخَرَابِ. He said, because you have established yourselves in this world and you have destroyed everything in the hereafter, so you would hate to transition from that which you have established to that which you have destroyed. You've built yourself up in this world and you have left no currency for the hereafter. And so naturally you would hate to transition from that